Today's topic, determining the age of our female ancestor. Here are some things we should look for. We should look for the birth certificate, the baptism, census records, and the comparing of the census records, and finally, the death certificate. Here are a few tips should the birth certificate or baptism be unavailable. If the death certificate is available, pay close attention to the birth month and birthday of the female ancestor. Note, at times, the birth year can be wrong. Now, we should look at the census records and compare them for an approximate age. The last thing we should look at is, should your ancestor live to be elderly, and the ancestor ages considerably from the previous census records, observe the woman's age at the time and subtract this from the last child born. If she is listed as 80 years of age and her last child was born 20 years prior to this date, then we know whoever was the informant for the census was exaggerating the woman's age. Now, what are a few reasons for the discrepancies in our female ancestors' age? Well, the informants were not knowledgeable very often of the female ancestor's birth. Also, we did have at times simply toying with the census taker. Another thing was the ancestor herself did not know when she was born.